how to update Snapchat on Android device. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So you cannot update Snapchat from your Snapchat app. For that, you have to go to your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to go back to your home page, and once you are here, you have to open up your Google Play Store application on your device. And in the search bar of the upper section, simply tap and search for Snapchat. So if any of these are available on your Snapchat application, then there will be the update option instead of open. You have to simply tap on update, and it will take a few seconds to update your Snapchat depending upon your internet connection. And once it's updated, you can simply tap on open, and by doing that, all of the new features of Snapchat will be available in your Snapchat application. So from over there, you can use the various filters and you can use the other services as well. So this is how you can update Snapchat in Android device. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.